Hey y'all, it's PhoebeChef here, and today I'm going to show you how to whip up a delicious Indian shrimp curry in just a few simple steps. This recipe is perfect for those busy weeknights when you want something quick yet incredibly flavorful. Trust me, once you try this, it's going to become a staple in your kitchen. Let's dive right into this flavor-packed adventure. Indian cuisine is all about the spices, and this dish is no exception. We're going to use a blend of spices that will make your taste buds dance with joy. First off, grab your saucepan and heat up a tablespoon of that lovely ghee or oil. Ghee adds a rich, buttery flavor, but if you prefer, you can use any neutral oil like vegetable or canola. Get it nice and warm on medium heat. This is the foundation of our curry, so make sure it's evenly heated. Now toss in half a yellow onion finely chopped. Onions are essential in Indian cooking. They add a sweet and savory depth to the dish. We're aiming for soft and translucent, so give it about 4-5 minutes, stirring occasionally. This step is crucial as it builds the base flavor for our curry. Next up, it's time for the magic makers, the spices and garlic. This is where the real magic happens. Stir in your minced garlic, a teaspoon each of ground ginger, cumin, and turmeric. These spices are the heart of our curry, providing warmth and complexity. Oh, and don't forget that fiery half teaspoon of chili oil. If you're not a fan of too much heat, you can reduce this to your liking. Just cook them for about 1 to 2 minutes until everything's smelling heavenly. The aroma at this stage is simply irresistible. Now pour in that rich tomato sauce and the creamy light coconut milk. The tomato sauce adds a tangy sweetness, while the coconut milk brings a luscious creaminess to the curry. Let's bring this to a gentle simmer. This allows all the flavors to meld together beautifully. It's starting to look real good, isn't it? The sauce should be thickening up nicely. Season this lovely mixture with a sprinkle of kosher salt. Salt enhances all the other flavors, making the dish come alive. Stir it well and let all those flavors get to know each other. All right, it's shrimp time. The shrimp will soak up all these wonderful flavors. Add your peeled and deveined shrimp straight into that simmering sauce. Make sure they're evenly distributed so they cook uniformly. Let them cook for about 5-6 minutes, just until they turn that perfect shade of pink and are opaque. Almost done, y'all. The shrimp should be tender and juicy, absorbing all the rich flavors of the curry. Finally, garnish this gorgeous dish with some fresh cilantro. Cilantro adds a fresh, herbaceous note that complements the spices perfectly. There you have it. Your mouth-watering Indian shrimp curry is ready to impress. This dish is not only delicious, but also visually stunning. Serve it up with some steamed jasmine or basmati rice. Or hey, even minute rice for when you're in a real hurry. The rice soaks up all that wonderful curry sauce. It's all about making it your own. You can even serve it with naan or roti if you prefer. Remember, you can always tweak the spice levels to suit your taste. Cooking is all about personal preference. More chili oil or a sprinkle of red pepper flakes can really turn up the heat if that's how you like it. Feel free to experiment and make this dish your own. And there you have it, folks. A quick, easy, and absolutely delightful Indian shrimp curry that'll transport your taste buds straight to Flavor Town. Thanks for cooking along with me. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I do. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon for more delicious recipes from PhoebeChef Magic. Your support means the world to me. Until next time, keep those pots bubbling and your heart full of culinary joy. Cooking should always be a joyful experience. Bye, y'all. End of script.